Hardscape.com. We are in West Palm Beach, Florida. We are at a condominium where our shell stone 2cm 24 by 24 is being installed. We wanted to make this video a little bit about installation. There's a lot of installation questions on how to install porcelain pavers. In South Florida, they use a dry lay system for most of the installs. This particular project is a 30,000 square foot project. They're going over concrete, and we wanted to share with you the installation procedure. So you can see that there's concrete steps over here where it's going to be mudded. The material is going to be mudded on the concrete steps, but to go up on the deck, we have about an inch of paver sand. If you're in the Northeast, it equals to your number 8 stone or stone dust, which we really don't recommend for the Northeast, but a lot of people are using it. And then you lay the product just like your regular paver with a spacer in between, which is the difference between a paver and the porcelain paver, which is right there. You can see it's a permanent spacer that will create straight lines, joints, where you'll be using your polymeric sand, fine sand, or your grout. So this is the project that is going on here right now. Is the same principle of installing a concrete paver when it comes to the bays and the sub bays and the sand bedding. Here we don't have freeze thaw, so people don't worry about that. It's always hot, but on freeze thaw weather climates, installation is going to be a little bit different. But for everybody that does dry lays on areas that do not have freeze thaw issues, this is a very good way to install the product. Here are the installers installing it right now. You can see the sand nice and screened over here with the proper pitches, the product being laid with the spacers in place, and it keeps a very nice straight line, as you can see. Let's walk through what's already been installed. This is a beautiful material, beautiful shell stone. We're going to be talking soon with the contractor and finding out why they chose this product versus natural stone. But we wanted to share you installations. This is what an installation looks like. Sorry about the noise, but this is a construction area, remodeling, installing shutters and the pavers, and you get to hear them. Zip cuts will be put in here. Borders will be mudded, completely mud set. So in the area that you see open over here, this is going to be a borderline. So this borderline section over here is going to get cement. Now, not only on the edges, but it's going to be the entire piece, which is a 24 by 24 piece, is going to get cemented down to the concrete. That's going to lock everything in. Same thing on the other side. Even though we are putting the cuts and the borders against the building, we do want to have them with cement underneath. So this is basically it, guys. We're going to be bringing in many videos for installations and different types of installations and possibilities. We have exciting news very soon of some products that we're launching that's going to help with the installation process, both on a dry lane and wet system. Stay tuned with Hardscape.com. Again, this is a beautiful product, easy installation, and we hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, feel free to email Giovanni at Hardscape.com. Have a great day, guys.